So we're looking in this case then for all values that we're looking for when a is equal to 0, a equal to 1 in all these cases. We're looking for two numbers that add to give 1 and times to give -2. Two numbers that add to give 1 and times to give -2. So what would that be? Two numbers that add to give 1 and times to give -2. So add to give 1 and so I meant to say, so add to give 1, then times to give -2. -1 and 2. If you add these two together, you get 1, -1, and 2. If you times them, you get -2. Yeah. So that means that the solution to the problem, without even looking at the right-hand side, is going to be x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. And that is here. So that means that one goes there. Okay, let's have a go at the next one. Now, let's lock that image. So now we're looking for two numbers that add to give 3 and times to give 2. 1 and 2, well, 1 and 2 add to give 3 and times to give 2. So yeah, so it's going to be x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Yeah. Okay. All right. So 1 and -2 would times to give -2. 1 and -2 they would add to give -1. So that means it would be 1 and -2. It's got to be that one. So so we're looking for, hopefully this one matches this one. -1 and -3 would add to give -3, and they would times to give +2. So yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's have a go at this one now. So we're going to just try to, I don't know where this came from. I'm not quite sure what the trick is to solve it fast. Maybe if we have a go at it, we'll be able to see. So first of all, b. What's b and yeah, what? So if we don't know how to factorize equations with where a is greater than 1, we can still solve those equations with the quadratic formula. So let's have a go at solving that now. So we've got the values in there. I think the quickest way to do this at this point is to say, oh wait, what happened there? Let's try this again. So yeah, I've done it again. Okay, so that's going to be equal to -17 plus or minus, and then let's solve this thing inside the square root. So -17 all squared. So -17 all squared will just be the same as 17 squared. So 17. Oh wait a second. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Hang on a second. There is a mistake here. See if you can spot it. And you might be able to spot it now when I noticed it. So there is a mistake in your working out so far. Oh, that's part of the problem. I would probably say at this point here, because it's not clear whether or not you're doing negative 17 squared or all of negative. Basically, you could do with some brackets like that, okay, because you're squaring -17. But this is the problem here, because you've got negative b, and b is -17, so negative 17 is just 17. So that should say 17 plus or minus, and then you got -17 all squared minus 4 multiplied. So we could probably do with separating this out. So could probably do with separating all this out so we can see it a bit more easily. So yeah, minus 4 times x times 12. Okay, so 4 times 6 times 12. So 4 times 6 times 12 is 288. Probably should have done 17 squared first. Oh, that's what's going on. I'm not doing very well at using mirror today. So it's minus 288. And of course, 17 squared, or negative 17 squared, is the same thing. Oh, look at that. 289. 289 is minus 288, all over 12. So, yeah. So 17 plus or minus, well, that's going to be square root of 1, which is 1 all divided by 12. Okay, which means 18 over 12 or 16 over 12. Okay, and that of course is 9 over 6, which is 9 over 6, which is divide both sides, top by bottom, so 3 over 2. And you got 16 over 12, which is 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3. Okay.